Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm here with another very useful and informative video. In this video, I'm going to show you if you're missing App Store on your iPhone, iPad and other iOS devices. Then in this video, I will show you how you can fix this problem if you are missing App Store on your iPhone, iPad and other iOS devices. So for this purpose, you will have to watch this video completely so that you will be able to get back App Store on your iPhone, iPad and other iOS devices. First of all, you will have to restart your iPhone device because simple restart can solve the minimal and little bit problems on your iOS devices. So first of all, you will have to restart your iPhone device. Then after that, here you will have to tap on search bar, and here in search bar, you will have to search for App Store and check that here it's showing or not. If it's not showing, then you will have to close this tab. Then after that, here you will have to open setting of your iPhone device. Then scroll it down, tap on screen time, scroll it below, tap on content and privacy restrictions. Then here you will have to turn it on. Then here you will have to tap on allowed apps. Then here you will have to make sure that the iTunes store is turned on from here. Then after that, go back and tap on iTunes and App Store purchases, and from here you will have to make sure that the installing apps is allowed from here. Then after that, go back, and here you will have to again open setting of your iPhone device. Then here you will have to scroll it below, and here you will have to search for App Store. Here you will have to offload unused apps, and here you will have to turn it on again. Then here you will have to tap on general, scroll it below, tap on background app refresh, and here you will have to make sure that the App Store is enabled from here. And after that, here you will have to check that the problem fixed or not. If you are having still this problem, then here you will have to scroll it down, tap on general, scroll it below, tap on transfer or reset, tap on reset, and here you will have to tap on reset home screen layout. And after that, here again tap on reset home screen, and after that it's asked to enter the iPhone passcode, and after that check that the problem fixed or not. If you are having still this problem, then here you'll have to go back, again open setting, then tap on general, then here you'll have to tap on device management, and here you will have to make sure that you are not connected with VPN. If you are connected with VPN, then you will have to disconnect with VPN and search for App Store whether it's showing or not. If it's still not showing, then after that, here you'll have to open Safari browser, and here you'll have to try the download App Store from Safari browser. And if you are still not able to install the App Store, then you will have to move to the next solution, open setting of your iPhone device, then scroll it below, tap on general. Then here you'll have to tap on transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset, and here you'll have to tap on reset all settings. And after that, check that a problem fixed or not. If you're having still this problem, then you will have to tap on erase all content and settings. Then it's asked to take backup of your data, then you'll have to take backup of your iPhone data, then you'll have to erase all content and settings on your iPhone device, and after that, hopefully your problem will be fixed and you will be able to use and install the App Store on your iPhone device. So that's it from this video. Hopefully you like this video. If you like this video, then please subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon so that you can get my all upcoming videos. Thank you very much for watching this video.